All right, y'all. We are still up in JD Sports. Shout out to my people. Let me see over at JD Sports, Brandon, Florida, man. If y'all ain't tapped in, make sure y'all tap in to them. But yes, sir, we have another early look for you guys.
Yep.
Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I appreciate all the love and support, especially when it comes to these early looks. I'm gonna keep trying to give them to you guys. But yeah, we got this one right here. Y'all see the Jumpman box right here, face box. They've been doing this a lot, man. We have a size tag right here, Air Jordan 11 Retro low GS. This is 6.5. I don't even know the release date for these. I'll put it somewhere on the screen or in the comment section or whatever. Open up this. We got the regular sticker stack of paper, and we have the Air Jordan 11 low. Columbia, UNC, whatever y'all want to call it, man. But here we go right here for you guys. Let me know down in the comment section how y'all feel about these. But yeah, man, I'm not a huge Jordan 11 low fan, but patent leather on these things. We have the translucent bottom, as you guys can see right here, with the UNC eyelets, the mini Jumpman logo. This is the reason why I'm not a huge fan, because of that mini Jumpman logo. We got 23 right there. Inner side of the shoe is going to be the exact same thing. White leather on the top, not the mesh. I don't know how people feel about that, man, but it is what it is. Leather tongue. Got the blue right there. White laces. No other laces come with these things. Inside, got the Nike branding on the inside, though, as you guys can see right there. Do have the Nike branding on there. But y'all let me know, man. What are your thoughts and opinions? How y'all feel about this sneaker, bro? Is this something that y'all feel like y'all like? Y'all don't like? I know the Jordan 11 low is an acquired taste for a lot of people, but I do feel like this is grade school, and I do feel like they look better grade school size, to be honest with you, man. Oh, I forgot to show you, especially the carbon fiber right there. Super, super clean, like I said, in my opinion. What y'all think, man? How y'all feel about these? Let me know down in the comment section. But again, another early look for you guys. Hope appreciate you guys tapping in as always. Let me know how y'all feel about these. And y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, and I was hype. Remember everything we talk about, including these 11s, man. Just bait. With me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next week. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the fruit.